Hello friends, this is Kirat again from EPK, a project unit of ESPL. So the project in this video is entitled as you have seen on the LCD, that is the RFID based attendance system. So RFID, as you all know, are the unique IDs or the tags which can be sensed by this RFID reader. So this project completely manages the attendance system of the unique IDs and store the data into the database, into the memory of the microcontroller, as you can see. And if the ROM card is punched, we are having a buzzer, and to check the attendance we are having authentication as a password which we need to enter from the switches, and we have a EPROM for further storage if required. There is the EPROM and a RTC to store the time also. So let us see by punching the cards which ID is detected or not. First we will try and punch the invalid ID. It says, let us punch once again. It says that wrong card was punched. Let us try once again. So wrong card. So now we will try and punch a registered card over this project and we'll see over the reader. It says welcome Mr. A, and the attendance has been marked as the card was stored. So it said that A entered and it recalled the name from the memory. Now it says Mr. B. So this way only we can punch the attendance into the memory of the same, and if we need to check the attendance we'll have to enter the password from these switches. So first we'll try to enter the wrong password and see the buzzer will beep. The right password is 2525. To enter. So it's the wrong password. So let us see what is the right password. That is 1212, I guess. So to enter the password we can increment from first button, decrement from second, and third is to lock the digit. So unlocking the last digit, it says that welcome admin, and display a menu which says that we need to press S1 for attendance, we need to press S2 to delete the database, and we can press S3 to exit this menu. So if we press the S1, it says that Mr. A and Mr. B both have 11 IDs punched onto their account. So this way we can have a authentication also. If we need to check the attendance system, only admin can check, and we can also allot a card also to the admin, the RFID unique tag. So this way we can manage the attendance system of anywhere using the unique RFID tags. I hope you like this project. Have a nice day.